I'm going to give you a little tour of what I've got over here. Well, right there I put a box fan. The old attic vent was burnt out, so it's just hanging there by the cable. Box fan in there. On the other side, it's hard to see, but I put an air mover, a mini air mover in the window. I've got my extension cords in here. One with lights going this way, another extension cord going that way. Out here, as you can see over there, I disconnected all the trunks, moved them back onto this side. Everything was numbered, so the balancing is going to be identical as before. That's a good starting point. I'm just about getting ready to do some duct work out here. Grab my shears, my S-lock. I'm going to head over there. As you can see over here, I cut out the vent pipe, put a piece of tape over there, and I cut it over there. It was basically going this way, and this way I'm able to slide the equipment all the way down. Heading down, let me show you what the equipment looks like. It's a Goodman Universal Horizontal Vertical 3-ton. I will be mating it into this current ductwork, which is the opposite direction, but by putting a transition, everything will be fine. I converted it from a vertical to a horizontal. Let me show you over here. It's got the old pan over here. Customer did not want to go for a new pan. I figured an old pan is better than no pan. So it has the old float switch in it. And I'm gonna have to mate up, cut this back there after all the couplings, pick it up, get some nice pitch going, and the rest should be good. I gotta run a new set of line sets. These were soldered, soft solder R22 line sets, so I'm gonna run a new set of line sets out, exposed. Gonna go right on the right side of that gable vent, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm sitting up here, just ran a new line set. You can see there, I've got the 3/4 line set running along the floor. I've got the 3/8 line set coming up, around, and down, and in. And the reason for that is 3/8 will get kinked. I'm not really worried about the 3/4 in the event somebody does come up here. But anyway, I wanted to show you my spin on Jim Petnano's, if I'm pronouncing it that correct. I want to show you my spin on what I do that's similar to what he does to clean the fittings. I've got a DeWalt Impact. I've had this for quite some time. If I got a new one, I may go Milwaukee, but for now I've got a, see if we get you in the light, I've got a chuck in here, and I put my brush in there. It's a quarter action, what do you call it? It's a quarter snap action chuck that you pick up. I think it's actually also made by DeWalt, but snaps in and go. So let me show you how I clean this. Pretty much get my foot on there since we've only got see, nice and shiny in there. I'm gonna go ahead, clean up the outside, and clean up the outside of this, and make a nice brazing over here. Thanks for watching. Brazing with nitrogen. One of my favorite features of the Testo is the ability to test pressure over time. I find testing pressure and being able to see some sort of a vacuum with the tool and not needing another tool is really good. I use my Testo 550s to start off a job. Like this one is going to be doing just a pressure test overall, just making sure everything's healthy, and then I will go from there, and then I will use my eye connected dial on the system to perfection. While this is holding on a pressure test, I'm going to be doing some other work around here. As you can see, I ran line sets. It's a little sloppy, but it's all going to be hidden under line set covers. For now, I'm just going to go tie in some electric and pressure test for over an hour, 1 psi difference. I think I'm pretty happy. And it's off to the races. I've got the ball valves closed. I've got high pressure, if you can see that. And open up the ball valves and let's start counting. Under 4,000. This is a new line set. It is about 50 feet of line set, 3/4 and then 3/8. Under 2,000. Under 600 microns. Under 500. Maybe a little bit of humidity in the pipes to boil off. It's been a really hot, humid day. I'm going to let it run while I continue some started up this unit. It's a Goodman, or it's a GMC, but it's a Goodman. Anyway, it's shielding my probes from the rain. This guy's just about to open up. Drops are coming down, and pretty much we're running okay. We're just going to have to fine tune the charge.